and welcome to our update from Berlin. It's Monday, May 22nd, and we've got a packed agenda given the relatively slow previous week due to the holiday. This week, the Bundestag will take a first look at two laws concerning healthcare. For one, a law that's supposed to help relieve and support care workers is being pushed through Parliament. It will have its first reading on Wednesday and is supposed to be voted on Friday. Secondly, a bill designed to address availability shortcomings for pharmaceuticals will have its first debate this week. After a couple of tumultuous weeks for the Green-led Economics and Energy Ministry, with the culmination for now being the firing of State Secretary or Deputy Minister Patrick Reichen for irregularities with grant approvals and hiring of people close to him, the Bundestag will now talk about legislation on energy efficiency targets for consumption. Furthermore, there are proposed changes to the energy price brake law that are being debated. Also, at the behest of the government, the Bundestag will talk about changes to Germany's competition law and the ability of Germany's competition authorities to act. Also on the agenda is a debate initiated by the CDU-CSU on reducing the bureaucratic burden on employers when they document their employees' working hours. There's also a number of committee hearings scheduled this week. This includes a hearing in the Labor and Social Affairs Committee on the promotion of education and training, a hearing by the Construction Committee on a funding program for climate-friendly construction, as well as a meeting by the Digital Committee on the EU Gigabit Infrastructure Act, as well as a number of EU-US issues, including on data transfers. Lastly, we're expecting hearings on and rulings by Germany's federal courts. For example, the case on whether Google needs to delist certain content should come to a close, and a case on whether a city may implement a tax on single-use packaging will be heard by the BGH. Not for a lack of potential content. That's it for this week. As always, should you have any questions or if we can be of any assistance to you here in Berlin, get in touch.